Okay, so this is a carryover from day 8. So this is day 9. And so we've talked about linearization. We've talked about what makes it an underestimate and overestimate, and that has to do with concavity. And we're talking about concavity, which is a concept that we don't really dig into until the next unit, from like how do you find concavity, but basically it's curvature. And so we know, hopefully at this point, we can just identify concave up and concave down if you have a picture. That's really all I expect you to do right now. So concave up looks like a cup. Looks like it holds water. Concave down looks like maybe it would dump water out. So that concave up curvature means that the linear approximation lies below, so it's an under approximation or an underestimate. Concave down means that linear approximation or that tangent line lies above the curve, so it would be an over approximation or an overestimate. I will have a card that go up in the word wall. This is basically your notes. That's the example from your notes. Stepping you through that linearization process, identifying the point of tangency, coming up with the tangent line equation, and then using that tangent line equation to estimate the y value close to the point of tangency, right? The point of tangency is 4, and we're estimating it at 4 1/4. So this is an estimate for this example. This example was the square root of x. So this is an estimate for the square root of 4.25. So we know the square root of 4 is 2, right? So the square root of 4.25 should be just a teensy-weensy bit over 2. We know this is an overestimate because the tangent line is above the curve. So this number represents a number that's slightly bigger than if you would square root 4.25 on your calculator. I think if you square root 4.25 on your calculator, I think you get 2.0615. So just a teensy-weensy bit smaller. Okay, so that'll go up on the word wall. For today, there is a local linearization circuit. It's optional. If you feel like you want more practice, go ahead and do it. Really, it's a day to catch up on con. We've got one more day of new material, so we'll have one more set of con homework, and then that'll be it for the unit. We've got notes for tomorrow. Yep, for tomorrow. And no new con. So that's kind of the agenda for today. I'll come around and check in with you, see how you're doing, and just let me know what you need from me today.